welcome. Today's video we're going to be unboxing my Boxycharm Boxy Popup haul that just took place and potentially could still be going on. I don't know when I'll be putting this video up, but you guys, there were so many good deals. My first order has come in. I don't really want to talk about how many orders I actually placed. As of the day I'm filming this, which is November 19th, they still have Boxy Popup open. I keep like sending head mail to Joe, like, can you please close it? Your girl's bank account is like, Anywho, that's what today's video is all about. We're going to talk about some premium choices that I think is in this actual box. So before we jump into the video, of course my battery is flashing at me, so it could potentially die. But anyways, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because 5, 6, 7, 8, it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. So we're not about negativity, we're about love, peace, and happiness. So let's have a good old time unboxing, talking about Boxy Popup. Hopefully, like I said, 2 of the items that we will be seeing in Boxycharm Premium for December are in this particular order. If not, it's okay, I'll be back. Anyways, guys, I upload all the time over here Monday through Friday at 12:15 Eastern Time, and on the weekends 9 p.m. Eastern Time. I have a second channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, where I upload Tuesdays and Thursdays at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Still nagging you guys to follow me over on Instagram and check out my daughter HAILEY'S channel because she's doing unboxings and makeup looks and vlogs and all kinds of stuff. So let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay guys, so like I said, this is my first order. I did place multiples, but it's okay because it's a judgment-free zone, and a lot of you guys said you were in the same predicament, making a lot of orders too. You honestly just couldn't beat the deals. I mean, honestly, like, I did better at the Boxycharm Boxy Popup sale than I did at Sephora VIB sale, you know? I felt like it was a better variety. Okay, let's see here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I have to tell you guys about this. This is the Rose Plus Quartz hair mask. Now, Boxycharm had sent over one of these for me to try out prior to Boxy Popup opening up. I have fallen in love. This is one of my favorite hair masks. You guys, it's a really expensive mask. I want to say it's like $30, $40, but they had it in the pop-up for $9. Did I pick up enough for the whole year? Yes, I did, because for what I would pay for, you know, just going to the store or to their website and ordering it, I got a year's worth of it because Mama don't mess around. So I did pick up 4 of these because they're that good. They do have a nice rose scent, and I have to say, if you have, you know, color treated hair, bleached hair, dry hair, brittle hair, thyroid hair, you're going to love this. You guys can leave it in for a very long time, or you can just do like, I don't know, 3 to 5 minutes while you're in the shower, letting the steam in there and everything. I love this, and like I said, it smells so good. I was excited to see Brumble and Brumble. This is their mending shampoo and conditioner. It's a set, $9 a piece. Typically, I think it was $9 a piece. Typically, it's probably closer to like 20 some bucks a piece. So I was kind of curious about this. It's for colored, permed, or relaxed hair. So I know I like that invisible oil or something. This has a nice scent to it. It's not an overpowering scent at all, but let me know if you guys have tried this out before. This is definitely not something I've tried, but I'm definitely excited. It says moisture-rich conditioner to help restore and revive chemically treated strands. As you guys know, I do not use the exact same shampoo and conditioner every single time I wash my hair. I do like to rotate it and kind of keep my hair on its toes. Not a good analogy. Anywho, I do have a couple more things in here. Oh my gosh, I thought I ordered one of each shade. Did I not? You know what? I think I did go buy it. Okay, so this is what we are going to see in our premium box. This was a choice. So we had the choice between the neutral matte palette or I don't remember the name of it. It was like, I'll pop a picture over here for you guys. Now, if you don't know much about Viseart, Viseart is what the pro makeup artists use. It is, if you just look at it, you're like, how is that worth $80? I get it. I understand, but this particular eyeshadow, their pro makeup line is like next level. A lot of OG YouTubers or even makeup artists that have been around for a while will recommend Viseart eyeshadows just because of their pigmentation, their blendability, how well they build up, and it was $9. So I don't know if they're like redoing the case or whatever they're doing. I don't really care personally. I'm just happy to be able to get this. Now I did, for my premium choice that I purchased, I did choose the colorful palette, but for $9, oh my god, these are so flipping creamy. I wanted to have this in my collection because why not? For $9, I mean, seriously, these are so buttery. They remind me of, oh, definitely high end. Definitely high end. I mean, that was, I mean, swatches don't tell the full story. I get it. I understand. And the other thing is the way that they are set up, especially their pros, are set up for doing an eye shade. So I would even suggest, if you're a cosmetologist, if you are a makeup artist, you are looking to build your kit, Boxy Popup would be a very good way to go, because like I said, alone, these Viseart palettes are $80. You can get them for $9 at Boxy Popup. So hopefully they're still available, but yeah, I needed to have both palettes because I'm crazy and I'm greedy when it comes to eyeshadow. It's my obsession. I mean, just the way it like blends with the warmth of your skin, it's just crazy. So definitely make sure to follow me over on Instagram because I will be creating looks with both of these palettes. Okay, so I've got 2 more items in here. Hopefully my camera will not die. So the next is of course the sponge gel. You guys know I love these. They were available for $4. They have a retail value of like 20 bucks, but this is the pumpkin spice and it smells so nice. It doesn't smell as pumpkin-y as I was expecting, but I definitely like it. I love it. I want some more of it, but I didn't want to be too stingy, so I only got 1. But that's only because I have, again, a year's worth over here. These are amazing. A great stocking stuffer, great little Secret Santa gift, whatever it may be. Again, $4. You can't beat it. You know what I'm saying? The last item, and this was one that so many people, I feel like, saw in their Boxycharm boxes. I unfortunately never got it in my Boxycharm boxes. This is the Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist. You guys, I've heard amazing things about this. So many people on YouTube have like repurchased this. They said it's absolutely amazing. It's so pretty. It was like, I think it was like $9 at Boxy Popup. So I snagged it because I thought, for the price, why not, you know? I don't really, ow, I just hit myself. I don't really smell anything. It feels comfortable. So, but like I said, I heard so many wonderful things about it. I figured I might as well add it to my collection because why not? You know, it's so affordable. Let me know some of the things that you are excited to receive for your Boxy Popup. If you already started to receive your Boxy Popup, I did place multiple orders, so I will be coming back talking more to you guys about not only some of the sneak peek spoilers that we are seeing for December and January, but of course my Boxy Popup orders, because I did get some things as gifts too, so it's not all just for me. Okay, my battery finally died, guys. I was pushing it for all it was worth. Anyways, guys, like I said, let me know some of the things you are most excited about for Boxy Popup, and definitely make sure to subscribe and stick around because, like I said, I'm going to be coming back and going over some of the sneak peek spoilers for Base, Premium, and Luxe for December. December is a BoxyLuxe month, and by the way, if you guys are wanting to get in on the BoxyLuxe, choices are already closed. However, you can still get in there and get on the list if there is a list for the December BoxyLuxe. You guys, some of the spoilers that I am seeing so far, mind-blowing. Pretty excited about them. Actually, I'll probably just hop off here, film that video next. I've filmed now like 3 videos in my hoodie, you guys, and in my cozy sports bra. I don't even care. You know, we're all friends here. Old Navy, huge sale going on right now, guys. You can get these sports bras for like $7.99, $9.99. They're so comfortable. Throw it on with a hoodie, go about your day. I'm rambling. I'll leave it linked below for you guys. I'm not going to link these things down below because if I do, it's not going to be the same deal that you could get if you are a Boxycharmer and you get to shop the sale. So if you do want to sign up for Boxycharm, I will leave my link down below in the description box. It's always down there. I will also post it in the comments section for you guys, letting you guys know that that link does earn me a little bit of a commission, but I just like to, you know, let you guys know it's an affiliate link. So anywho, that's all for today's video. Check my description as well for the giveaways. Make sure to go over to those videos and those posts in order to enter into the giveaway. The giveaways do end on, I think it's December 12th. So hopefully I can get everything to everybody before Christmas. Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.